Tired of unexpected muting or removals disrupting your Microsoft Teams mobile meetings? Let's quickly lock down those participant permissions so only you or designated presenters can control the audio and attendee list directly from your phone. First, you'll need to schedule your meeting. Tap the calendar icon, then the plus sign to create a new meeting. Fill out all the necessary details, like the title, date, time, and attendees. Before sending the invite, locate and tap on meeting options. If you don't see it, it might be under more options or advanced settings. Now, the key setting here is who can present. Tap on the drop-down menu. You'll see several choices to prevent participants from muting or removing others. Select Only Me, or if you want to assign presenters, select specific people and add those individuals. Choosing Only Me makes you the sole presenter, granting you complete control. After selecting your presenter option, tap the back arrow to return to the meeting details. Finally, tap the check mark or send button to schedule your meeting with these restricted permissions. Now, only you, or those you've designated, can manage the meeting's participants, creating a smoother, more professional experience. That's it. You've successfully secured your Teams mobile meeting. For more Teams tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.